Samuel Testle yang keke de welcome back to my channel. Ta thanda nga nang lesa sira ta thari ngonju dele ya. Ngonju gi lega chingi gi ropa Philippine ni begi poshura khugi kega yi sa thari ngonju dunshu tang chi inji minji shwa sara. An koning je tharing ko lo dunju simgu duraya an ngonjinda thanda ngonju koji kegala do an tanda letsa simba ta kegala ngegi ta nindu la ne clip lan chinji record chiran nge khinjul ta khunju kegar khande do stangi me ki khinjul tongor samsra and hopefully toyong royes.
Welcome back to Diki's channel. Also your Anthony was birthday lo dinchu dogi hojiya. YouTuber dako deres. I love I just Diki, they talk say Diki, very special, the ring is special. This all our bosses. No, stop Diki. Come down. Oh my God, bosses. Oh, this I forgot his name. Dillinger. Lisa, I forgot. I saw. Ginger. Hey, Marianne.
I want your own friend.
I would like to introduce myself. My name is Judith, and I hope there's no tears for me because I'm so excited to have this day, and I like to share with you guys how my dad being here in front of everybody. My dad turned 70 years old yesterday. Actually, yesterday is his birthday. My mom actually have the same birthday, but she celebrated her birthday. We didn't have a party like this. We're gonna wait until she's gonna turn 70 and we're gonna come back again and get together. So her birthday was on January 8th. So my dad was born in a small place back in the Philippines in January 17, 1955. He's the eldest of 12 kids, actually 14. The twins passed away when they were born. So can you imagine 12 kids in the family? It is kind of in this time, it's kind of crazy, right? Because I can only have 2 on my own, and it's too much for me to handle. I can only imagine how grandma put up with it. He's the eldest of the 12 siblings, and I kid you not. We were back in the Philippines last summer, and I look at my uncle. My dad looks the youngest of them all, right? So, my dad is very, very excited to celebrate his 70th, and I'm very, very grateful too to see him very happy and healthy.